Hi, I'm Rick Mitchell, and I want to talk to you today a little bit about when to report a claim to your insurance carrier. Now, somebody walks up to you and hands you a lawsuit. That's a really easy one. When you report that? Immediately. You have it in your hand, you get it to your insurance carrier. What's a little more difficult is that most policies have a provision in them that says you are to promptly report a claim or something like circumstances likely to give rise to a claim. Well, what does that mean? Uh, that's a little tougher, and it does call for a judgment call, and it's got to be examined on a case-by-case basis. But I will tell you, I generally will err on the side of caution and report a circumstance, even if a lawsuit hasn't happened yet. And there are a few reasons for that. First of all, if you don't report it, your carrier may not cover you if it does turn into a lawsuit because they will say, you knew about this, you didn't tell us, and you prejudiced us by not giving us a chance to evaluate it early and get out in front of the claim. The other is they could actually even rescind your policy on renewal because you know what? There's probably going to be a question on your renewal application that goes something like this. Are you aware of any claim or circumstances likely to give rise to a claim over the past 12 months? So you're going to have to answer that question most likely anyway. So why not do it immediately? So what are those circumstances? Well, again, it's a judgment call, and you have to examine them. If somebody walks into your office and says, I really don't like the way you handled this situation for me. It's not just the way it turned out. I don't like the decisions you made and how we got there. Well, there may be defenses to a claim like that. But maybe that's a circumstance likely to give rise to a claim. Are they serious? What was the circumstance? What was the claim? You've got to look at that. If somebody walks up to you and says, I'm going to sue you because of X, probably they're going to do that. But you should err on the side of caution and assume that they will, and report that to your insurance carrier. There is an obligation in every insurance policy for the insured to cooperate with the insurer. Reporting is the most fundamental aspect of that. They can't help you if you don't tell them about it. So when you have somebody that comes in and does something, says something to you, even if they don't even know that you screwed up something or you made a mistake, but err on the side of caution and report it. I understand people say, well, if I report my claim, even if it doesn't turn into anything, my insurance premiums are going to go up. Or I will see a lot of times where somebody will say, you know what, this is a small claim. It's within my deductible, and I can take care of it without the insurer ever even knowing about it. This gets us right back to that whole reporting requirement on renewal. You're probably going to have to tell them anyway, even if it's inside your deductible. So avail yourself to that insurance that you've already paid for. Those are my thoughts on the subject. And if you have any questions or if I can help you in any way, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you for your time.